Friends, you all must have heard of YouTube, but do you really know what it is? Today, we will talk about how YouTube is changing our financial lives. Stay with us because we keep bringing you such great videos. You can visit our channel, so let's take a look at the first point. 1. Access to financial education. YouTube has democratized financial education. Gone are the days when financial knowledge was limited to textbooks and expensive courses. Now, anyone with an internet connection can learn about investing, saving, budgeting, and more for free. Channels like Graham Stephan and Andre Jick provide valuable insights and tips to millions of viewers. 2. New income streams. YouTube itself has become a viable income stream for many. Through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, creators are earning substantial income. This platform has allowed individuals to turn their passion for finance into a profitable career. 3. Investment opportunities. YouTube channels are also highlighting new investment opportunities. From cryptocurrency to real estate, creators are sharing their experiences and strategies, helping viewers make informed decisions. This has broadened the investment landscape and made it more accessible to the average person. 4. Community and networking. The YouTube finance community is thriving. Channels often collaborate, creating a network of experts sharing knowledge and supporting each other. Viewers can connect with like-minded individuals in the comments and forums, fostering a sense of community and shared growth. 5. Real-time market analysis. With the fast pace of financial markets, real-time analysis is crucial. Many YouTube channels provide timely updates and analyses of market trends, helping viewers stay informed and make quick decisions. This real-time content is invaluable in a world where information is power. 6. Transparency and accountability. YouTube promotes transparency and accountability. Creators share their successes and failures, providing a realistic view of the financial journey. This transparency builds trust and encourages viewers to learn from others' experiences, both good and bad. Conclusion. YouTube has undoubtedly changed the financial world. It has made financial education accessible, opened new income streams, highlighted investment opportunities, fostered a sense of community, provided real-time market analysis, and promoted transparency. As we continue to navigate the evolving financial landscape, YouTube will remain a powerful tool for growth and learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Inside Finance for more insightful content. Share this video with anyone who could benefit from understanding how YouTube is changing our financial world. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you navigate your financial journey.